So SHIB and Crypto.com have had a long standing relationship. And recently, last year when all these centralized exchanges were kind of getting forced to show their hands and make sure that there was one-to-one backing, making sure centralized exchanges actually had the money they say they had. Crypto.com was one of those exchanges that were, under fire a little bit last year amid the FTX debacle, right? But Crypto.com quickly gained a lot of trust, and they also showcased just how strong the Shiba Inu community is by looking at their reserves and understanding how much Shiba Inu was on the balance sheet of Crypto.com. And again, this is a one-to-one backing, so it represents how many people actually hold their Shiba Inu over at Crypto.com. Well, in recent days, we've seen altcoins kind of slowly make a move. Both SHIB and Crypto.com are up a little bit. So in this video, I want to talk about both of them because there is kind of this working relationship between the two. We're going to talk about both of the assets, look at both of the charts. That's later on in the video. Make sure you guys stick around for that. But we're also going to do something here in the first half of the video and talk about Crypto.com in terms of their total value locked and their token allocation. So total value locked is what? It is the amount of TVL or amount of money that they have locked up. Basically, you could think about it in a lot of ways as like staking, right? Where people stake their crypto. They're basically saying, hey, listen, we believe in this so much that we are going to lock up our crypto for however long, right? And earn passive income, right? So we're going to take a look at that. And again, their token allocation, by the way, Shiba Inu right there up top with Bitcoin and Ethereum still. We'll take a look at all the numbers. So if that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys hit that like button for us as you're dropping in. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And Crow fam, welcome back. It's been a little while since I've done a Crypto.com video, but still a big investor. We talked about it way back in the day. I was just actually watching the Lakers play too. And it's crazy, Crypto.com arena. That marketing is going to be huge, especially when we get back into this next big bull run. We've got, where the Lakers play, it's Crypto.com arena, right? I mean, this is the company we're talking about, and the branding, which I think is obviously what's better branding than Crypto.com, right? I mean, that would be the place to go if you're looking to learn about crypto and looking to get in, right? So check this out. This is a tweet that came out early this morning, all right? And here is your token allocation right now. Let me just move my little block over here so then you can see that a little bit better. There you go. Okay, so token allocation, this is as of today. Bitcoin represents about 45% of the token allocation on Crypto.com. You've got Ethereum there at a little over 16%, but look at SHIB. Crazy. There is more SHIB on Crypto.com than Crow, which is the native token. That's crazy. That's how strong the SHIB army is. And this, again, long working relationship with SHIB and Crypto.com. I love it. These are two assets that I still continue to hold and two assets I believe in long term. And I love that they're still rocking SHIB there as one of their top tokens there. USDC, and then they've got some others there making up 16%. Now, if we flip over here, we can see here this was a little bit ago, a little while back. This was back on March 29th earlier this year. You could see how it's kind of switched and changed a little bit. SHIB's number's pretty similar there, as Crow's number has come up, though, to, again, it was only at 3%. Now it's up to 8% in terms of their token allocation. So that's good to see. And if we bounce on over to the SHIB chart, we'll take a look at this. We talked about this yesterday. One of somebody I really trust in the space, Scott Melker, talked about how he believes Shiba Inu's bottom is in, meaning we've bottomed out in the SHIB market. And I think we have. We have the momentum up flashing. By the way, this would be a great time to enter a trade. And I knew this because my algorithm, my trading indicator, flashed it. If you guys are looking for a trading indicator, which I highly encourage you guys to do ahead of this next crypto bull run, I've got one for you. Okay, there's a ton of them out there. 85% of people are using a trading indicator to make better trades. The hardest thing to know, and I speak from experience here, is when to get in and when to get out, especially when that bull run hits. You have to have a plan. And having a trading indicator can help you make informed decisions rather than emotional ones when the markets are going crazy and it looks like your portfolio is going to go up forever. Have a plan, have a strategy. XT Algo could help you there. Links down below. We've got a huge discount right now as well 21% off lifetime access. That's a limited time only, though. Will not last forever. So check it out. Links down below. So that's the SHIB chart. Now, let's bounce over to the Crypto.com chart, and we can see here, look at this. We got a momentum up flash on the indicator. Told us to buy it right here at the 5.3 level. Look what's happened since then. Over the past 7 days, okay, over the past 7 days, we're up 11%. These are gains that could be yours as well using the indicator, but it's really great to see as Crow is getting up near 6 cents. And I'm starting to believe that too, as SHIB's bottom could be in, I think Crypto.com's is as well. We've been trending down here for a really long time. I think we're going to see Crow get back up near those all-time highs in this next bull cycle and beyond, getting over the hump of that $1 mark. I know that's a big number. It's a psychological number. I do think we'll get there eventually. But I wanted to kind of just, share some light in terms of, this long-standing partnership is still intact, right? And when more and more people come into crypto, they're going to look to centralized exchanges as easy ways to get in, right? Your Coinbases, your Crypto.coms. Now, what I love about Crypto.com is they're not just an exchange. They're looking into gaming. They're investing a lot of money into DeFi. They're looking to really expand, and they understand that there is a lot more things out there other than just the centralized exchange route. And also, people are going to become more and more keen on, taking control of their crypto, and they understand this, right? And they're coming out with different avenues and different platforms to stay relevant and to stay ahead of the curve. And that is why I think Cronos, the native token, still has a lot of value, even outside just the centralized exchange portion of it. But when we get back into this bull run, people will be looking to accumulate these type of cryptos, your top 20, top 30 cryptos. And the fact that SHIB has just such a great relationship with Crypto.com continues to be, something that is awesome to see, because this thing started way back in early 2021, and together they've kind of withstood this bear market, and it's good to see that they're still in good standing, and a lot of people hold their SHIB over on Crypto.com. So appreciate you guys as always. If you got some value out of this video, you like it, make sure you let me know by liking the video down below and subscribing, and we'll see you guys in the next one. And again, if you guys are looking to get a trading indicator as we get closer and closer to this next bull run, look no further than XT Algo. Links to that are down below, and don't miss that discount code as well at checkout. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Take care.